parts. Okay, I made this little jig here, down pressure wheels, and then this blade is tilted at 45, running up into the sacrificial fence, and that's going to take a perfect 45-degree angle off the edge of these pieces of plywood so that I can turn them into the boxes. Alright, so after cutting those miters, this is what I get. A nice clean mitered box. These are in the glue up process. And there's 19 over there that are done. But as you can see, that's the kind of miters I'm getting with that system that I showed you on the table saw. Hey, I just wanted to share with everybody what I'm doing here. We cut hundreds and hundreds of parts, drilled holes. Some of the holes are tapped. These are tapped for little grub screws. And there's all different types of parts and pieces. And then they're getting welded together into these frames like this. The wood on top of it is a clamp holding everything down. And then I'm getting nice welds like this. And like that. The idea is these are supposed to be decorative welds, so they all have to look really good. And then over there, there's finished frames and more parts on the cart. So that's what I'm working on today. And just wanted to do a quick share so you guys can see what I'm working on. I'm doing a shitload of welding, so I'll be doing this for the next couple days.